Hey, what's up guys? It's Movie Or here, back for Blu-ray 4K Thursday. Now today's unboxing will be for year 5 of the Harry Potter series. And that is for Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix on Blu-ray, the 2-disc special edition. So there's the front, spine, back, if you want to read details and special features. Disc 1, Disc 2, So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. So in the comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Dark Lord in Harry Potter. Thank you.